Okay, thanks. So welcome to the Sylva TSC meeting. And we start checking the list of participants between the voting participant. I only see Team and Orange. I don't see anybody from Deutsche Telekom, Telefonica, Vodafone, Ericsson, or Nokia. So for the time being, we don't have the quorum for voting. And I see other participants from Red Hat, Canonical, SUSE, Open Nebula, Six Wind, and I don't know if there are other companies that I'm missing.
Self-focused, but it's okay.
Okay. So then the next TSC will be in 2 weeks on the 9th of April. I don't have any general news or topics because from the Sylva Fund, because we didn't have any board meeting in the last weeks. So I would move quickly to the update on the activities of Workgroup 1. I don't know who can describe the results from Orange, because Guillaume is not participating, but he told me that someone from Orange would have been available to describe Workgroup 1. Is it correct? If not, I can just read together with you the progress that
Yes, there is someone from Orange. I don't know if you asked, but we are here.
Yes, no, I'm asking if there is someone from Workgroup 1 that
Okay.
wants to describe the update on the activity on the cloud stack development, because this is what Guillaume told me a few days ago. But if not, I can do it. So it has been released, the release 1.3.7. I think that the important updates are related to the fact that the DHCP is not anymore needed for the deployment of the workload clusters, and that it has been integrated the Kunai GUI as an option possible to management the life cycle of the clusters. And it has been also updated the CAPI version in view of the upgrade to the new Kubernetes release in the next version. So for the next version, there will be the support of the release 1.31 of Kubernetes. Some announcement on the bare metal configuration, the hardening of the operating system, and as planned in the roadmap, the version 1.4 should be released by the end of April. I don't know if there are other updates or comments related to Workgroup 1. If not, I would move to workgroup 2. I don't know if Luis is not connected. Is there anyone else that can describe the activities in workgroup 2? It seems not. So again, I can read together with you what Luis updated on the draft minutes. New workload has been validated. It has been integrated the template according to the security guidelines, and the test suite has been used to run some of the tests, and there will be a presentation in the Sylva Dev Day about the workload upgrade validation together with the demo. And the next activity regards the new workloads in backlog and some security feature on the platform. Okay. Again, are there any comment or addition to what I just read about workgroup 2? If not, I would leave the floor to Mihai, that I think is connected for an update on workgroup 3.
Hello, everybody. Not much update from the working group. So what we've been working on in the last weeks was preparations for the Sylva security workshop, which will happen on 15 and 16 of April. We have finalized the list of topics that we would like to discuss. And in terms of next steps, what we are doing now is we are preparing the agenda for the workshop, and hopefully this week we will have them finalized, and we will be able to share it with everyone. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Mihai. Any question regarding workgroup 3? Not. So let's move to workgroup 4 on sustainability. Wamin.
Thank you, Carlos. So in the last 2 weeks, the Orange team has done a great job releasing the 1.0 green dashboard. So that's the milestone release, and you can find the release notes as the wiki. So the next step is we're going to have a demo for the TSC in April. So this will be the full wrapping of the green dashboard and what's our ongoing plans for the next steps. Hopefully we can get some of the feedback on that, and any of the suggestions, exchanges, and collaborations are really appreciated. Thank you.
Thank you, Wamin. Any comment, question? I have a question regarding the demo. Do you think we should plan a slot for the next TSC on the 9th of April, or on the following one?
I'll sync up with Praveen and Rami on the preparation. I think they are ready to demo it. We just need to prepare some slides to explain what has been happening and what's the ongoing plan. But I think the next TSC is doable. I'll bring this message to the work group discussion next time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's move to work group 5. Andre?
So we are eager for the Sylva Dev Days next week. I hope you all could join us and do the registration. And also we are preparing the Open Telco Summit, and we are going to gather the demos and gathering all the demos. So in Sylva Dev Days also we are going to do this work in order to begin to do the promotion of the project across industries. So happy to see you all, or most of you, next week.
Okay, thank you, Andre. Any question?
Sorry. One
Yes,
thing
Naomi.
to add, I'm in the car currently, but if somebody can go to the Working Group 5 Slack channel, we published the schedule as well, so you all can take a look at that. The link is dropped in the Slack channel. Somebody can share that.
Naomi, I can share the here on the chat on Teams, okay? Since you are driving, we don't want you to have an accident. So.
No, be careful.
Thank you.
Yeah. Or you have an AI agent to do that for you, but I can do it. I can paste it here in the chat.
Thank you.
Just a question. The information.
Sorry.
Go on, please, Naomi.
Yeah, sorry. One other thing to add to. So, unfortunately, we had a cap of 60 at the event, and we're sitting at around 55. So you'll notice on the website, I've taken down the registration. But if you have someone who absolutely you want to join, just have them reach out to me, and I can send them the link to registration. But we just had to be mindful because we got really close to that number 60, which is great. But unfortunately, we had to cap it. So.
Okay. I just have a question regarding the information you are sharing include also the location or for the and how to reach it, because I won't be able to participate to the Sylva Dev Day, but a few colleagues will be there. But they told me that they haven't received information about the location or confirmation on the participation and so on.
Yeah, okay. So a know before you go email will be sent to all registrants either today or tomorrow.
Okay.
The location is listed on the website, but I will ensure that that email includes everything, including the location, including on-site information. You all will be kind of sent a QR code for you to be able to access the building on the Sunday before the event. But all that information will be included in that know before you go email, and also the information regarding the reception, which we're hosting post the event.
Okay, thank you. Great. Thank you, Naomi.
I've just posted, by the way, it's going to be sent to each one of you, and that is registration. I also put it here in the chat. The place, you just put it on Google Maps. It's very easy to find it, and also it's very near to the metro station in Paddington, so very central. And I'm going also to put here in terms of the schedule and the agenda. Okay, I'm going to put here the link. It's on our website, and I include it here in the chat. And of course, it's going to be sent in the emails.
Okay.
If by some reason, again, this can happen, people don't receive the email, it's because it's not registered. You have it here, but talk with Naomi or with me immediately, and we'll sort it out, okay?
Okay, thank you. Any other question regarding the Sylva Dev Day or Work Group 5 in general? If not, then we can move to the last work group, Work Group 6. Morgan.
Yes, so we had our last session
Mid-March, the minutes have been published. We got a demo on image compatibility tooling, how we can include some requirement in the image and check on the Kubernetes cluster if everything is matching or not. So we got this demo. Then we get an open speech and some view shared by Telefonica and Vodafone on the way they want to use GitOps in the near future, or they already start their journey with infrastructure. So all the minutes are available. The next meeting is planned for mid of April. The agenda is under construction. Probably we'll try to continue to have the view from gitlab.com if the participant is available. And I need to synchronize with the working group 3. Would like to initiate also some discussion about security and more specifically on the CV tracking on what we deploy using GitOps. So we know that it's easy to scan, but it's not so easy for operation. So that's a topic we'd like to open and discuss with the other member of this working group.
Okay, thank you, Morgan. Any question or comments? I see that Luis and Yoni from Telefonica and Nokia joined, but unfortunately this is not enough to have the quorum for the voting. But Luis, we just read what you inserted for work group 2. I don't know if you want just to...
Yeah, very quick. Yes, we already validated one, since the last meeting, we already validated one new workload from HPE, the service orchestrator. Still we have 4 in progress in the backlog, and we plan to do it in the next weeks. Some of them are already progressing. And some we have just started the kickoff. We did something new since the last meeting, is we created a template for the how to validate the security guidelines that were defined by working group 3. Some of them are just to be validated via running some scripts, and some will be validated via the provider providing some information regarding how they make use of, or they guarantee security. For instance, how they run scans or things like that. And we are working with the CNTI team to see if these scripts that I have commented can be included in the test suite from CNTI, the Cloud Native Telco Initiative. So we are working with that. We also define how to upgrade how to validate the workload upgrade. So as you know, as part of Cloud Native, the workload that has been deployed need to be upgraded, and we need to have a workload that supports rolling upgrade. So we have defined how to run this, how to demonstrate this, and this will be presented in the Sylva Dev Day. And from then on, we will use it in different workloads that we validate. So in the future, what we want to do is complete what is in the backlog, start running the security validation report for the new ones to be validated, and also running the platform upgrade and the workload upgrade for the new ones that are validated. So that's all.
Okay. Thank you, Luis. Any comment now that we have the directive from Luis, the update? If not, I see, Naomi, that you put in the chat a message regarding the possibility, the request to talk with the Margo project.
Yeah, so the PM for that reached out to me yesterday. I am unfamiliar with the Margo project, but I'm assuming it's another open source project hosted under the Linux Foundation. And they were just curious on who is kind of leading the architecture piece. I told them I could probably introduce them to you, Carlo, or Guillaume, but I know, there's a lot of people in the community who work on different things. So I wasn't sure if there's someone who is better suited for me to introduce to this PM for them to start the discussion, but they're just interested in kind of learning from this group and how you all are already applying it, and just basically taking it from there. So just a collaboration effort.
Okay. Well, I think we can discuss with Guillaume. And do you have some link to contact them, or?
Yeah, sure. I'll just connect Guillaume and maybe you, Carlo, on an email introducing you all to him, and then you all can take it
okay.
from there.
Okay.
Thank
So
you.
I miss your email. Sorry, but I will check it.
Oh no, I haven't sent it yet. I haven't sent it yet, Carlo. That's what I'll do
Ah.
moving forward after this. I'll just go ahead and introduce you on email after this meeting.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So I think that we completed all the update very quickly today. Is there any other topic that should be discussed? If not, then I think we can close the meeting. Thank you all, and see you in a couple of weeks after the KubeCon and the Sylva Day. So we will have things to discuss and share about it.
Okay, thank you, Carlo.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank
See
you,
you.
everybody.
Thank you all.
Bye.
Bye bye. See you in London. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.